everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a get ready with me. The last time I filmed one is quite a while ago, so I thought I'd share with you my go-to makeup routine. Aksel is napping right now, so I thought I'd just film a quick get ready with me. Now that I have a toddler boy, I want to get ready fast, so this is a makeup look that I do to look put together, but still that it's quite fast. And yeah, I will share with you my favorite products at the moment. It is very cloudy and rainy today, so I hope the lighting is okay. So yeah, let's get started. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give the huge thumbs up because you really help my channel with that. Okay, so I'm starting off with a primer, and this is from Elisa Jones. This is a face primer moisturizer, and this is with a hyaluronic acid, and it's a color corrector. It is a bit of a greenish shade, which I really like because I've got some redness in my skin. So this, yeah, this is like a color corrector. So I'm always using a little bit of this. As you can see, it's a green color, so I'm just applying a little bit of that. Most of the redness I have here on my cheeks and around my nose. We had so much rain and wind the last couple of days, so I feel very sad for the people who are now on holiday here because the weather has been terrible. But I believe after a few days it's getting better. Then I'm still using my Miss 40 Stay Perfect foundation, and this is in the lightest shade, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this is Zero Ivory. This is very watery, but I like it. It's kind of a medium coverage, not too heavy for every day. And I really like these brushes from the Primark. It's called Flatted Out. This is a stippling brush, and I also got some other brushes. These face brushes, yeah, they are great. They're Primark, and I find that Primark has so many lovely makeup products, lots of dupes, and the quality is great. And I don't need that much coverage on my forehead, so I'm not applying too much there, because then I find that it goes in these fine lines. Now that I'm getting older. I'm 30 and I really see that I get these lines. As you can see, it's very natural coverage. Then I'm going in with a concealer. I really like this. This is from Essence, and this is called the Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer in the color 5 Ivory. So nice. My sister got this for me. It's very pigmented, and the color is great as well because, as you can see, I'm super pale at the moment, so I need a very light concealer. As you can see, it's light enough. I'm also applying this on my eyelids as a base for the eyeshadow later, and just on my face where I want a bit more coverage. And then I'm also using another brush from the Primark. This is, I don't know, let me see, in the buff. Like a buffing brush, but I really like it for concealer. And then I'm just tapping that in. It's been a while since my last makeup video. I don't even know, I don't even remember the last one. But I also find that they're not very popular at YouTube. Like, lots of people don't like to watch them anymore, I guess. I guess a lot of people are watching TikToks or like Instagram Reels for makeup tutorials because they're, you know, a lot quicker. But I really like old school makeup video. I'm just applying a little bit more, but I definitely need a lot of coverage underneath my eyes because I'm a tired mom and my under eyes are quite blue purple, so yeah, definitely need some coverage there. And then I'm going to set everything with this powder from Reveal Me. It's the compact powder in the color Porcelain. Very light shade again. And yeah, let me know if there are any toddler moms watching this. Aksel is now 2.5 years old and he still doesn't sleep through the night, and I kind of give up at this moment. Like, I just accepted it, that maybe he will never really be a good sleeper. But yeah, let me know if there are any moms watching this who also had a bad sleeper. And if you have any tips for me, let me know. I don't try to powder my face too much because my skin is quite dry. So yeah, I'm going in with a bronzer. I use this for the longest time. This is the Golden Rose Terracotta Stardust bronzer. I absolutely love this. I like a little bit of shine. And then I'm just blending that in to give me a little bit of color. Also on my forehead. Love that. And I always go quite heavy with a bronzer and a blush, but I don't know, I just really like that look. So then I'm going in with a blush, and I really love this, let me see, baked blush from the Ethos in the Netherlands. This is such a pretty color, and this is again very shiny. Again, going in with a brush from Primark, and this is called Fleeky. This is very nice and pigmented. Look at that, love that. And then I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter, and it's the Mary Luminizer from the Balm. So pretty. I have this also for the longest time. I don't know, maybe it's expired, but I'm still using it. Look at that. You just need the tiniest bit, and it's super pigmented. Like, it goes a long way. I have this for many years. Then onto my eyes, I'm using an eyebrow pencil from Essence. This is called the Superlash 24 Hours eyebrow pencil in the color Blonde. This is so lovely. I used the eyebrow designer for the longest time, but this is very pigmented. Love this one. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Color is very nice as well, and my eyebrows are quite thin, so I always like to make them a little bit more bold. Then I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette that I shared before in vlogs. Love this one. It's from Tarte, the Tartelette Spark palette, and these colors are just to die for. They're so pretty, very pigmented and buttery. Love this palette. So I'm going in with this shade right here. Just applying this all over the crease. Then I'm going in with the slightly darker brown. And you can create eyeshadow look very quickly with this because it is so pigmented and very blendable as well. And then I'm applying this darker color only in the outer corner of my crease. So I'm only focusing on the outer corner. You just need a little bit. I'm slightly blending that in. And then I'm applying the lighter shade, it's called Positive, right here. And I'm applying that with my finger because I find that it's the most pigmented. So I'm just tapping that on, and look at that. Wow, that is so pretty. Very pigmented. That is just the prettiest shade. I love this palette so much. And I'm going in with my mascara from Essence, the Lash Princess one. Love this as well. And I prefer these low budget mascaras over all of the pricey ones. And then for my lips, I'm going in with this Essence Stay Lip Liner in the color Unforgettable. And then on top of that, I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the color Eclair. If you follow me longer, you know that the NYX Butter Glossers are my go-to lip products. Like, I love them so much. I have a few different colors, but I mostly reach for this Eclair one. I slightly outline my lips, not too much. This is such a nice color. So yeah, this is my finished look. You can definitely see that I'm wearing makeup, but I still think it's quite a like everyday glam, if that makes sense. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this get ready with me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!